Hello everyone, this is C. Ranjit Misra. Once again, I am present for you one more update on GST. You know that GST 2 has been announced by the PM on Independence Day, and 56th Council of GST meeting has been already notified the date, that is a 22 September, and defined some product as rate reduce, rate changes, and some rate are eliminated. Like earlier there are 5 rate: 0, 5, 12, 18 and 28, but now 5, 18 and 40, 2 rate is eliminated, that is 12% and 28%. There are some product which is become costly, and there are some product which is become not reduce the cost and cheaper. You may say cheaper, but as CA I know that there is no cheaper. It will impact to the company cost structure, because they are the input and output structure in GST. So I don't think it will affect the very big. Yes, government announced, then general public thought that yes, it is impact our amount in finance. So let me clear one thing, that if company charge any rate on GST, then it means they will get benefit of ITC. ITC means when they purchase their raw material, they have to pay the GST on that raw material. Suppose they purchase any services, then that GST portion will be set up with the output GST. But if your product and service become the 0%, like insurance sector going to become 0%, it means insurance sector have a cost increase. Why? Because they will not get benefit of ITC of their service purchase. In the same way pharma sector raw material is 18%, but their output is 5%. Why? Their working capital and their financial ratio will be the block. Yes, you can say that they will claim the refund. Why refund? Why not raw material is also 5%? And why not every industry is the same rate? If their output is a 5%, then their input must be the 5%. So I don't know, there is a big dilemma for this rate. So my dear friends, yes, it will impact our pocket, it will reduce cost, it will advantage for us, but whether company will pass the benefit to the consumer, who will monitor this is the big question. Who will monitor? Whether government will monitor, whether already distributor purchase from the manufacturer, whether that product is going to sell after 22, or the trader or distributor will return that product to the manufacturer, whether manufacturer will take return of goods from the distributor, and they will pass the new MRP and send it again to the distributor to trader to consumer. Their huge problem started. So let's wait what will be happen. It will be for everyone, and I request you, don't worry for this, it will not impact you. Everyone's saying about the reducing of GST. It's a big, but there is one change which is nobody know that about that increase of GST on your Zomato and Swiggy delivery. If you purchase anything from Swiggy and delivery, it will going to be the costlier for you. Why? Earlier delivery charge is not charging the GST. On delivery charge there is no GST, but now if you make any order on Swiggy, they will deliver to you, they will charge a something percentage on delivery, also a GST, that is 18%. It means yes, it is not a big amount. you can say that this is the something like that. If your delivery charge is 20 rupees, then it GST will be how much? 18%, 3.6 rupees. It is not a big impact, only 3 and 6, but you don't know. Swiggy have every day millions of dollar. Then government will collect millions of dollar from the you public. I also make a delivery order on the Swiggy and Zomato, but I am just discussing. I am not against of this government policy, and I just discussing. What is your thoughts? You may comment on my channel, and whether this decision is good or bad, or this is not good and not bad. This is just a balanced, or whether it is a balance or not, or whether it will be the benefit will be passed to the consumer or not. So let wait and find the next year report, GST collection report, what will be the impact. So just I am going to update you negative point that your Swiggy, Zomato is going to be costly, and your insurance sector is also going to be costly. Yes, your premium, earlier your agent say only that your premium amount is this and automatic 18% plus. But you don't know in coming days automatic your premium will be the increase. Why? Because they will not get benefit of ITC. In the same way in pharma sector they will not get in ITC, then automatically they will face the issue for working capital, blockage of working capital, blockage of ITC amount. Refund process is not easy in India. Yes, government announced that will refund in very quick, but we are filing the refund, there is some issue. Compliance is not easy. So my dear friends, let's wait and watch what will be happen in future. And do you think GST is a burden or GST is a nothing? GST is simple. Why not government taking only single rate or two rate? Again 5%, 18%, 40%. Why this two category of person, luxury and unluxury? Why luxury and unluxury? It means you are giving you are collecting more from luxury buyer, luxury consumer. It means you will give more attention to the luxury. Then it is not your balanced policy. I think there should be one rate. Stop cash transaction. Monitor your banking transaction. But luxury, non-luxury, what is this? Nothing. 5% without. Still dilemma. Still, one of my client doing business in hotel, guest house. They saying that what will be the for me? 12% is nullified. Then 5% without ITC. Why? My ITC will be lapse. Yes, your ITC will be lapse. Because restaurant have, if their one day charge is less than 7,500, then they will charge in the 5% without ITC. If they want to take ITC, then they have to charge 18%. What is this? I don't think this is the correct. Let's wait. Government will clarify on this also. So there is a. So let's wait. Let me think. And government will get soon positive, negative impact on this changes. At next meeting, maybe government will rethink, or maybe next policy or next GST 3 generation 3 will come, and it will be more smooth here. So thank you so much for little update where Swiggy and Zomato will be going to be the costlier. Thank you so much.